Hello and welcome to this video on Power BI. Do you know how we can make this simple donut chart look so classy like this? That's exactly what we are going to see as part of this video. It is because of the newest styling options that have got upgraded in Power BI July 2025 release for the pie charts and donut charts. And by the way, these updates are already present for other core visuals. So to start with, we have this visual. When we open the properties of this visualization and go to the format this visual section, you will see a new slices option that's available in the July 2025 release. If we expand this, we can see that it will allow us to select for each of the slices that are present in this donut chart. If we select all, it is going to refer to all the slices, and any change that we are going to make to this donut chart when series is marked as all is going to be applied to all of the slices in the donut chart. By the way, this setting has the options to set the color, and this color gets enabled only if you are going to select a specific slice in the donut chart. That's exactly what the tooltip also says. You can define what's going to be the transparency, and the newest option is here the border. So you can enable the border, and this gives you an option that you can set a specific color for your slice borders, or you can match with the fill color. So when this is enabled, whatever is the color of the slice is going to be matched to the border also. But otherwise, it is going to allow you to select any color of your choice. For example, let's say that I'm selecting this orange. So you see that the border of this visual is going to be marked with orange for each of these slices, and you have the option to change the width of the border as well. You can also say that you don't want to see the inner borders. So if I enable this, the inner borders between the slice is going to be go off, and the border is going to be present only on the inner side and outer side of the donut. Let's say I'm changing it to white. So this is how it is going to look. Just changing the color to white makes this donut look a little better than how it was earlier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable this match fill color to match the border of the slices with the filled in color. Once that is done, I'm going to increase the transparency of my filled color. With these two small changes, the look and feel of the donut chart has completely changed. Now it looks more classy than the simple initial donut chart that you saw. So this feature that has got upgraded is also available now in the pie charts too. In the pie charts also, we have the same kind of customization. Not to miss, this kind of customization is also present in the column charts, bar charts, and ribbon charts too. I'm going to change this to bar chart. It is available. Clustered column chart, it is available. Say a ribbon chart, it's still available. So with this, I was able to create a quick kind of a customization like this. As you see, the slice here can be distinctly separated and shown. The slice in the chart can also be distinctly displayed. You can also set different border colors for different bars, different border colors for different bars in the ribbon chart as well. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more similar videos.